friends, welcome to Trading Skills. So you can see that this post is of my friend Juan, and I told him little about how to take trades, and he's getting the things, and you can see his results. Let me play the trades, and you will see that how best he's doing trading and how he's taking trades. So let me play the trading history. You can see here, this is how he's getting the things and how he's doing his trading. So you all can do the same, and there is only one thing we can do, and that is to share the ideas, and I am pretty much sure that all of you will get what you really deserve, because if you are willing to become a profitable trader, so then you have to follow the steps which I will tell you in the future. So you need to be a successful trader. So your money is everything. The first main thing is, first you need to work hard. So first learn, then earn. So this is a simple formula. You need to learn first, and you need to earn then. So this is the best way to earn from IQ option, and I will tell you, no one will tell you things which I know about trading right now, and I have seen so many things in the market, but the things which I'm going to tell you in the future, that will definitely change your life, that will definitely change your perspective, that will definitely change your ideas about candlestick psychology and patterns and everything. So let me show you another friend. So I worked only with him, so I think I told him only about few things, and after 1 hour, I think, what kind of result he's having, let me show you. So here you can see that this is my other friend, and his name is Osama. So I also told little things about how we can trade in the we can trade on each and every candlestick, and just he started the things, and right now he is working to get the things, and you can see his results from almost this is the trading result of his, and he only worked and trade the candlestick from 11:17 to 11:57, and you can see the results. So out of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, so out of 13 trades, he got 10 ITMs and 3 OTMs. So you all will learn how we are going to trade in the future, and thanks for Mr. Osama that he is acknowledging that he's working with me and getting the good results. So I'm very thankful to you both, and for sharing your results with me. So this is the best way that we can get the things better and better. So I wish, and this is my wish, that I want you all to join me, and let me tell you what I know, and I will tell each and everything, and after that there will be no need of any kind of course, any other course. So you will get the things, and I will show you that even a big candle appears in the market, if it is not covering our criteria, it will continue, and our criteria will be a very easy steps. So I will definitely tell you all each and everything, but it needs a time, and hopefully in the future, in the near future, I'm going to tell you about many things by announcing them. So let's hope for the best, and stay blessed you all, and have a blessed weekend ahead. So take care, and kindly try to learn what I am posting, so all these things will work for you all, and you all will definitely get the knowledge from that. And these are only the initial or primary data which I am providing to you all. So on second step I will explain each and everything properly, and it will help you all, and it will help you in the future, and you will get the results like this. So who are struggling right now, so don't worry at all, we are here to help you out, and we will definitely do the best trading. And when you learn the things which I know, this thing will remain for you always like a game, and you will get each and everything which you want, and but you need to learn the thing which I'm going to tell you in the future. So stay blessed you all, take care, have a blessed weekend ahead, and if you like these results, you can like, share, and comment also. So I always appreciate your comments, and thanks. Stay blessed you all, bye.